Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Hitman 3 on Xbox app on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to make sure that you log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. On the top right here you can see a profile icon, click on it and then click on sign out. Again click on sign in. Now select the right account, then click on continue. Now enter the PIN or password over here. Now once logged in, open Xbox app. On the top right here you can see a profile icon, click on it, then click on sign out. Again click on the profile icon, then click on sign in. Now over here log in with same account, the account which you are using on Microsoft Store and which has the Game Pass subscription. So make sure that you log in with same account on Store and on Xbox app. Now also make sure that date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is on over here. In Windows 10 you will find set time zone automatically. Make sure that is also on. In Windows 11 select the right time zone from here and make sure that you click on sync now. And once the sync is done, try to install the game. Also make sure right country is selected. So go to region and make sure right country is selected over here. Now the next step is to try installing the game from Microsoft Store library. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. On the bottom left here you can see the library option. So click on library. Now find Hitman 3 game on the list. So if you find Hitman 3, in front of it you will see the install option. So try to install the game from Store library. If you don't find the game, you can skip the step. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. Now during this process you will receive some errors in red color. So if you see any errors in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Now once done, close this window and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to repair and reset Xbox app in Microsoft Store. For this, type in Xbox app in Windows search box and then make a right click on Xbox app, then click on app settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the repair option. So click on repair. And once the repair is done, try to install the game. Still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and perform reset. So click on reset. Again reset. And once the reset is done, open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Also do the same thing with Microsoft Store. So type in store in Windows search box and then make a right click on Microsoft Store. Then click on app settings. Again scroll down. Here you can see the repair option. So click on repair and once the repair is done, try to install the game. Still you are receiving the error message or still you are unable to install, then reset, and after the reset try to install the game. Now the next step is to update Xbox app and store from store library. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. Now on the bottom left you will see the library option. So click on library. And then over here on the right hand side on the top here you can see the option which says get updates. So click on get updates. Once all the updates are installed, open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider. So for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website and here you can see Xbox Identity Provider. Click on get. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store and then it will load Xbox Identity Provider. In case if this is not installed, you will see get option or install option or update option. So click on update or install or get. In my case, it's already installed, so there is no button. So install Xbox Identity Provider and then uninstall and reinstall gaming services. To uninstall, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now paste the command over here and then hit the Enter key. Now once this is done, install the gaming services again. So copy this command and then paste the command on the same window, hit the Enter key. This will open Microsoft Store on your computer, and then you will see the install option to install gaming services. So click on Install. Click on Yes to allow and let the download complete. Now once the gaming services is installed, then open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to start all these services. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find IP helper in the list. Make a double click on IP helper. Set it to automatic and then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Xbox services at the end. Here you can see all the Xbox services. Make a double click on all the Xbox services one by one. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again, set it to automatic. Apply, click on start and then click on OK. Select automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again, set it to automatic. Apply. If start is highlighted, click on start, then click on OK. Now find Windows Update. Here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set it to automatic. Then click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Now find Gaming Services. Make sure Gaming Services are running. So here you can see Gaming Services. Make sure this is running. If not running, make a right click. Then click on Start. If it's already running, then stop it. Make a right click. Then click on Stop. Again, make a right click. Then click on Stop. And then restart the service. Make a right click once again, then click on start. Again, make a right click, then click on start. So make sure gaming services are running. Now find Microsoft Store install service and then make a double click, set it to automatic. Click on apply, then click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. So go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to Windows Update or Update and Security and then click on Check for Update. Now once the update is installed, restart your computer, and after the system restart, try to install the game once again. Now the next step is to run WSReset commands. For this, type in WSReset in Windows search box and then click on WSReset. Now this will open this black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. Now over here you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store. Now you can open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app. For this, type in Xbox app in Windows search box. Make a right click on Xbox app, then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, open Microsoft Store and then type in Xbox app in the search box. Click on Xbox app and then install Xbox app from Microsoft Store and then try to install the game once again. Now the next step is to rename WP System and Windows Apps folder.
Now to rename WP System folder, open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC, open D drive. Now over here you can see WP System. When you try to rename it, you won't be able to rename it because you will receive some kind of error message that you are not allowed. Now, so make a right click on WP System folder and then select properties, go to the security tab. We will go ahead and take the ownership of this folder. So go to security tab and then click on advanced. Now click on change over here and then type in everyone over here, everyone, and then click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects and then click on apply. OK, 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 and then again make a right click on WP System folder, select properties once again, go to the security tab once again, click on advanced once again. Now this time click on add over here and then click on select a principal. Now type in everyone once again and then check names. OK. Now put a check on the box which says full control and then click on OK, apply. OK, OK. So now you can rename it, make a right click, then click on rename, rename it as wpsystem.old. Now still you face problem. In that case, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to rename it once again. Open File Explorer and then go to this PC, open D drive, then make a right click on Windows apps and then rename it. Now before rename, you have to take the ownership, make a right click, then click on properties, go to security tab, advanced. Now click on change over here, type in everyone in the box. Now click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then click on apply. OK, OK, again OK. Again make a right click on Windows apps, select properties, security tab, advanced, and this time click on add, select a principal, everyone, check names, OK, put a check on the box which says full control, OK, apply, OK, OK. Now make a right click on Windows apps and then click on rename, and then rename it as Windows apps.old. Now while renaming it, if you receive any kind of error message which says file is open, in that case open task manager on your computer, make a right click on the start menu, click on task manager. Now if you find gaming services, make a right click and then click on end task, and also open services over here and then go to services and find gaming services, make a right click on gaming services, click on stop. So in my case it's not running, so let me go ahead and so make a right click, then click on stop, again make a right click and then click on stop. Make sure gaming services is not running, and then you can go ahead and try to rename it as Windows apps.old. Once the rename is done, make a right click and then start the service.
Now the last step is to update Windows to the latest version using media creation tool. So for this, if you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. It will take you to Microsoft website for Windows 10 users. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen, click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next and it will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and then open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now if you have Windows 11, here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run the exe file. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected over here. Click on next, select ISO file, then click on next, set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file. Here you can see setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 on your computer, and here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next and it will check for update. Now then click on accept and then again it will check for update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, again before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer and then open Xbox app and then try to install the game. So one of the steps should definitely help you to install Hitman 3 on your Xbox app successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.